Last night, something heavy happened. Our pastor's truck, the very one he faithfully uses for building projects at the church, was stolen. Let's talk about this. At first, hearing this news, there is a tidal wave of emotions. Shock, sadness, maybe even anger. That truck wasn't just a vehicle, it was a tool used to serve God's people. But even in this, we are reminded to turn first to prayer. We can pray boldly for the safe return of the truck, asking God to move in ways we can't see, to bring justice and to provide for every need this loss has created. At the same time, we choose to trust. Scripture calls us to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5. Right now, we don't understand why this happened, but God sees what we cannot. We can rest in the truth that He is still in control, even when things seem uncertain. We also give thanks. It is no small thing to recognize that while the truck was taken, no one was inside of it. No one was harmed. That alone is God's mercy and protection. And here is the hope. God restores. He promised in Joel 2:25, I will restore to you what has been taken. What the enemy takes, God can replace. Sometimes in ways far greater than we could imagine. Maybe the truck will be returned. Maybe God will provide something even better. Either way, His restoration is sure, and His provision never fails. So today, let's stand together in prayer for the return of the truck, for God's peace over our pastor and his family, for trust to rise up in our hearts, and for the assurance that God will restore better than before. When we seek God's ways in our trials, we will discover life is better. If you enjoyed today's inspirational message, please like, subscribe, and share the good news. Thanks and God bless.